Good morning or good afternoon, YouTube. Today we're going to be doing a power steering pressure hose, Edelman 80328, on a 2000 Jeep. I believe it's a Grand Cherokee Limited 2000. Alright, what I've had to do so far is I went ahead and removed the air cleaner box from here, and then I was able to reach down and loosen that fitting, and then I was able to loosen that fitting. I sprayed some PB Blaster just in case. Hopefully it wouldn't break off in the pump. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try to figure out a place to put you guys. I got a sun glare going on. Okay, right there ought to be good. We'll go ahead and take this one off. Next will be hood lift supports. They're out, so I'm having to use PVC to hold it. All right, so broke that one loose. It wasn't in there tight either. It's kind of scary. Okay, now I'm gonna break this other one down here loose. That was a 5/8 for the top fitting. And for this bottom one, the bottom fitting here, it's going to be a 11/16. I don't know if y'all can see it. There we go. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Now that one there wasn't too bad either. Somebody's already replaced this line, I bet. They just didn't tighten it down. But the pump was whining real bad, and I had to put some fluid in it, and then it was dry, and then see where it was dripping from. See, were y'all able to see that? There we go. All right, we got that loose. And, oh no, guess what? They're gonna have to loosen this one to get this one out. Looks like that is gonna have to be the case. It's always something. Let's see if I can get this baby loose. Come over there on that side. And I didn't spray any PB Blaster on this one. I should have. It's probably not going to work as quick as I'm doing it, but to be on the safe side. Hey, it come loose. And that one was also a 11/16. So you have to take the top hose off to be able to get to the bottom hose. I'll loosen that thing out of there. don't want to turn loose. There it goes. Alright, it's still got the O-ring on it, so we're good there too. Thank goodness. Got a leaker. I'm gonna prop this up high so it don't leak on everything. Alright. So now I can take this one loose and get it out of the way. That's the old one. That's the old line. Had to match it up. Make sure it fits. It does. So now we're going to drop the new line in. Right down through here, I believe. And I put my O-rings on. I didn't show y'all that. You gotta put your green O-rings on. They come in the package. These little green O-rings there. They come in the package with the hose. You have to put them on yourself. So make sure you do that before. There they are. Make sure you do that before you put the line on. Good deal. All right, are we back in focus? Okay, so we're gonna drop it back down. We're gonna fish it back down in here. Move that line out of the way. Okay, we'll thread it. Get it started anyway. Try not to cross thread it. This one on. Okay, he's on there. This one's not wanting thread for some reason, but we're gonna get it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this one down, this bottom one. It's the 7/16. It's on. This one doesn't want to start, but we're gonna get it to start. He started on there now. Get our wrench. Time consuming right here. But just take your time and tighten it down real good. I thought it was threaded, but it wasn't. For some reason I don't want to start. It's in a tight area. get started. Got it in there. Now I just got to tighten it up. Like so. Yeah, it's in. I just ain't got. Wish I could do it with my fingers, but I can't. Probably fast forward this part, save y'all some time. Feels like it's getting tight now. But just take your time and don't cross thread them. They're easy to cross thread. Please like and subscribe. I need some subscribers if y'all don't mind. If you're watching, please subscribe. Just trying to get a channel started. I've always enjoyed working on vehicles my whole life. There we go, that's tight. This one should be tight. Yep. All right, so that's pressure hose is installed. That was the leaky one. Now we're gonna put the other one back on, one I had to take off because it was in the way of the one that was leaking. Get it back on there. And I like to use Lucas power steering when I'm replacing a pump. That way it gets lubricated real good. This is just a line. I'm not even gonna put it on there for lines. It's got a little fluid left. I'm gonna fill the fluid up now, just so it don't mess it up. We don't want to burn the pump up. Top the power steering fluid. All right, now all I got to do is put the air cleaner back on. And we should be good. This went in here like this. I need to put that part in first. There we go. Go. Knocked you over. Let's try to bring you over here. I might can see better. Sorry about the crooked video there. Gotta figure out a way to put you. There you go. That looks good. That's in. That goes like that. the boot back on. Like so. Tighten it up. Goes like that. All right, the air cleaner's back on. We're back in business. All right, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Thumbs up. Thank you. Have a good day.